Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix iPad stuck in headphone mode in your iPhone. I will show you in iPhone, but you have to do these steps in your iPad. So the first fix is to force restart. Press volume up button once, down once. Hold the side key until the Apple logo appears and restart your device. You can also restart it from settings. Go to settings, go to general, scroll down and tap on shutdown and restart your device. Now the second fix is to force restart. Press and hold the power button and the home button simultaneously for older iPads. Wait for the Apple logo to appear and restart it. The third fix is to enable airplane mode. Swipe down to access control center. Turn on airplane mode and then turn it off again and check if the issue is resolved. The fourth fix is to turn off Bluetooth. Go to setting and disable Bluetooth. The last and final fix is to reset device. Open settings, go to general, go to transfer or reset, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. That's it.